Hello, and welcome to another update on Injective protocol. Injective broke above this green neckline of our inverse head and shoulders pattern, and Injective is now on its way to the next target zone. It's between $14.77 and $20.29. So the $14.77 level, I only mentioned it yesterday as next upside target or resistance to watch. Here in the update on Discord, someone requested it for an update here on Discord, and the price was at $12.84. It's moved up quite a bit since then, and I highlighted that $14.77 is obviously the start of the next resistance area. Looks like wave C of A plans to reach at least the 100% extension level, and that is the $14.77 level. Well, it was $12.84 only a few hours ago, and now the price is already at $13.43. It's moving up quite a bit, getting closer. Doesn't need much more upside until it gets there, and then I would expect a bit of resistance there, but a C wave can obviously use the entire Fibonacci resistance area. And that is part of this corrective rally that we're watching for, right? So if really this larger degree wave 4 that we talked about bottomed in our support zone, that's great, by the way, good reversal from the support zone, then the move up in wave 5, which could take us to $50 plus, should be an ABC structure. And I've highlighted here how it could unfold. So obviously, if it will unfold exactly like that, we will have to see. But the thesis is, if a wave 4 bottom there, then first of all, we should see an A, B, C structure. That might not go high enough to be all of that larger degree fifth wave. So what I've labeled there as wave C of circle wave A, or let's say that ABC structure could only be, a first A wave, right, of a larger ABC structure. So anyway, it can get quite complex if it's really a corrective rally in a diagonal pattern. But the overall focus is at the moment on the short-term pattern to identify relevant support and resistances. Now, as I said, we had an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Normally, you would expect from this inverse head and shoulders pattern to reach the target that's measured, based on the height of the head. Well, that might take us to the 1.618 extension there at around $20. So we'll see if we get there. We will have to adjust this Fibonacci support area together with the price as long as we are still going higher. That is the support zone for a potential pullback. If now this B wave correction unfolded, from where we are now, but it doesn't look finished yet, this move up. But if it started from there, then the B wave correction should land in the area between $7.47 and $10.15. And as long as we're holding $7.47, the overall focus could be still on higher prices. So watch the 1477 and 1667 levels next. There's also some structural resistance at around $16.80. So there's a bit of a cluster of resistance there around the 123.6 to 138% extensions. So that's just a quick update on Injective. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership. You can watch a 2-minute video on our channel page about the membership. You get access to additional member videos. I covered Casper yesterday, for example. You also can participate in our member live stream on Sunday at 5 p.m. UTC. We do it every week. Typically, we cover around 40 coins per live stream. You can ask questions, all sorts of things. That's our community live stream. And as a gold member, you can even access our Discord server. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.